The throughput on line 3 seems low this hour.
I just adjusted the calibration. Let's monitor it for the next 15 minutes. Looks like they're fully operational.
Yeah, everything appears to be running smoothly. We're seeing much better efficiency since the upgrade. Take a look at these numbers.
Very good. The flow is definitely smoother now. According to the checklist here, the humidity levels are slightly off in section 3.
Okay, let's adjust the ventilation immediately. The internal temperature on this batch is slightly high according to the chart. Let's monitor it closely for the next hour. The data from this morning shows a significant reduction in microbial counts since we adjusted the pressure.
That aligns with the efficiency targets we set for this quarter.
Make sure the fat content is within tolerance on this batch.
Check this one, looks good.
Moving the next side up now.
The laser guide shows we are right on target for the Boston butt separation.
Good, log it as soon as the cut is complete.
The new slicing algorithm seems efficient.
Right.
Yes, but check the data on the robotic arm's grip pressure. According to the clipboard here, we are exceeding the target rate for edible offal collection.
That aligns perfectly with the cycle data I pulled earlier.
According to these figures, the throughput improved significantly in the last hour.
Yes, the split is exactly uniform.
The pre-cut count is off again. Yeah, I'm adjusting the sensor now.
We have a slight backup at the merge point.
I'll adjust the speed on the belly line. The precision on the chine bone cuts is significantly improved with the new calibration.
And the waste volume is down, right?
maintaining the target speed for this batch.
Noted. The scoring quality is excellent at this rate. Keep the line moving. We are almost at the target. Okay, placing the last container now.
The new robotic arm is performing above specifications.
Yes, the yield metrics on the screen look excellent. The speed gauge is holding steady right at 400 links per minute.
Good. The last batch showed a slight drop in consistency. According to this, we are exceeding the target by 10%. That's excellent. The new machine is working perfectly.
The readings here confirm the flush was successful.
Good, the seal looks perfect too.
The new applicator head is much faster. See how it seals the edges.
It's definitely more precise than the last model.
temperature looks stable on the premium cuts. Yes, the misting seems effective before the rinse. We're running at peak efficiency on the slice mazer.
Looks good from here. The marbling is perfect.
The throughput on this line has increased by 15% since the upgrade. Look at the figures here. It's moving faster than the last model. Yes, the data on the clipboard shows a clear improvement in efficiency.
Seal is secure, number 42B.
Okay, confirmed. I've got it documented. We are cleared for dispatch.
Look at the throughput on line 3. We're dropping below the critical threshold.
Yeah, I see that. The chiller temperature is fluctuating too much.
The pressure looks stable on tank 4.
Good, we can start the next batch.
As you can see, the bearing is clean. Now we use the pressurized applicator to apply the white lubricant smoothly, like this.
I think that's the fastest we've done that run.
It definitely is. See you guys tomorrow.
Have a good night.